Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by defining a tight niche so your audience knows what to expect. This matters for growth. Once chosen, collect minimal but reliable gear: phone, tripod, lavalier, and learn basic lighting because clear visuals build trust. Make the channel now, choose a consistent handle, write a concise about, and upload 16:9 art. Then plan your first 3 reviews with a standardized checklist for features, hands-on tests, and verdicts so you can start publishing immediately. You now focus on production quality and consistency because viewers judge credibility. Start each video with a brief hook and follow a repeatable structure: specs, demo, pros and cons, and final verdict. Film multiple angles and capture close-ups and B-roll to illustrate claims. These shots make comparisons persuasive. When editing, tighten pacing, add captions for clarity, and ensure audio clarity. Aim for 128 kbps. Once done, craft a thumbnail and title that you finish by publishing with SEO in mind. Include 3-5 keywords, timestamps, and an engaging thumbnail to boost CTR. Promote via short clips, niche communities, and collaborations so your content reaches interested viewers. Maintain a consistent 1-2 videos per week schedule to build momentum. Then use analytics, watch time and retention, to decide what to iterate. If growth stalls, one troubleshooting tip: run a /B thumbnail tests and rework the intro hook within the first 10 seconds to immediately improve retention.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.